What's up guys, Sean here. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to use VirtualCam, OBS VirtualCam with Zoom. So by the end of this video you'll be able to achieve something that looks like this, which is a text and a picture. So you'll be able to achieve something like this. And so many people have requested for this video, and which is why I'm making it. So hope you enjoy it. Okay, so there are a few things you need for this video. The first is the OBS software, and you can download it for Windows, macOS or Linux. Now I have tried this on Windows. I don't know if it works on macOS or Linux. You can try that if you want, but I know that it works on Windows, so you can try that too. And I'll leave some videos at the top which you can check, which were made by me about OBS and some of the features of OBS, and you can check that out when you if you didn't watch it before. And the next is the OBS VirtualCam plugin. So the VirtualCam is not available in OBS by default. So you have to download a plugin by going to this page, and you have to click this go to download. So I'll leave a link for all of these in the description. You can just click that. And the next is Zoom. So I believe you guys have downloaded Zoom already, and which is why you're checking this video. If you haven't, you can download it by going to zoom.us/download, and you can click this download here, and that's all you require for this. Okay, so after you have downloaded the OBS, Zoom and all the plugins that I told you, so you can now go to OBS. You can open up OBS, and then you can go to your scenes. So first we'll open up OBS, and then we can go to the scenes. So if you're starting from beginning, I'll just start from beginning again. So I'll remove the scene, and I'll remove the scene also. Okay, so there needs to be one scene. Okay, so I'll keep that scene there. So usually when you start for the first time, you should after configuring everything, you should have one scene. So we'll start with this. So now you can set up your audio mixer here. I'm not going to be using the audio, so I'm just going to use the video. So after we have done the scenes, you have selected a scene, we can just hit this plus here, and then we can select video capture device, which means the camera, and we can just press that, and we can press OK, and you'll see the option, and then the camera should appear here, and then you can press OK, and now we can just drag that there, and then you can make it more bigger until you can just see it properly. It should probably snap into place, and until you can see it, just bring it there, and once it's all okay. So now the main idea behind this is you can add pictures, videos, etc. So now we'll add a video, or we'll add a picture. So we'll hit this plus icon here, and now we'll search an image. We'll put an image. So we can just hit image, and we can press create new. We can click OK, and then you can browse. You can press the browse icon, or you can paste here. You can paste the path here. So you can press browse, and then so it'll I'm in the pictures folder now. So I see an iPhone 12 and an OBS. So I'll add the iPhone 12 first, or I'll just add the iPhone 12 only, and you should see the path here. And now you can hit OK, and so it's currently covering my face right now. So I'll just bring it to this side, and then I'll reduce the size. So I'll bring it here, and I'll reduce the size to this. Okay, that's okay. Now it's really good if you have a transparent background, but I don't have a transparent background, so I'm using this image. Now you can add anything you want. You can be creative as you want. Now if you bring this a bit down, you can so when you add a text, you can add a text, but usually it won't be that clear, so you'll have to drag this down here a bit so that there's space to add the text. So I'll just show you guys how to add the text. So a lot of you guys requested for this video, which is why I'm making this. So now we'll press the plus icon, and we'll click text, and you can create new. Okay, and you'll see the font. You can select your font here. You can click the select. I'm just going to use that font, and now you can type in. So I'll just type in Mr. Sean Simplifies, because that's what comes to my mind now, because I'm recording. So I'll just type that in, and so you can just hit you can just select that, and you can reduce the size also, and you can bring that there, and then the color is currently white. So if you click this here, you can make it black, or whatever you want. I'll keep it at white, and we'll click OK, and then you can select other things like the alignment, the etc. You can select, and now you'll just hit OK, and so this is what we have here. So now if you have done it all properly, you should see, if you go to the tools now, you should see virtual cam. So you should click the virtual cam. If you didn't see virtual cam, try after installing the plugin, try restarting OBS. So now I'll just hit the virtual cam, and you can just select auto start. And so I already have it here. So you should see a start option here. Just click start. Now I'm not gonna. I already have it here. If you guys can see here, start virtual camera. So I'll just close it right now. If you guys didn't start yet, so you can just press start. So I'll just close that, and we'll hit start virtual camera. So that'll start the virtual camera, and now we'll go back to zoom, and then we'll go to settings, and we can go to video. So here now, as you guys can see, HP True Vision HD camera, which is my normal camera, is not working. But in you'll see another camera here, which is called OBS Virtual Camera, and when you click that, you'll see the text, and you will see the. Let me just turn down the adjust for low light feature. That's like really bad. And yeah, once that's turned down, it looks okay. And so now you guys can see the text, you can see the image, and it works pretty well. And you can be as creative as you want. You can use many options that are here. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, tell me down below. If you have any problems with this, also tell me down below. I'll try to help you as I can. And with that said, thanks for watching. This is Sean signing off. See you in the next video.